Understanding the exam format is crucial. Know the number of questions and their types. This helps prioritize your time effectively. Next, create a study plan. Break topics into manageable sections and allocate specific times for each. This prevents last-minute cramming. Practice writing quickly. Timed tests can simulate exam conditions and improve your speed. During the exam, read all questions first and allocate your time wisely based on marks. Keep an eye on the clock to avoid getting stuck on one question. Stay calm. Deep breathing can help manage anxiety. If time allows, review your answers for any mistakes. Finally, reflect on each exam experience. What worked, what didn't? Use these insights to refine your strategies for next time. Master these steps and you'll excel in your exams. Please don't forget to support this informative channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing so that you don't miss any single important information and improve on your academic scores.